Your remote not working all the time, or having to get closer to the vehicle so it'll work on your Jeep Commander? Stop worrying. Let's change that battery first before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership and see if that was a problem. I'll show you step by step in this video with no special tools, and all you need is a brand new CR2032 battery. Take your remote, your fob, spring loaded to release emergency key blade, pull that towards you, and pull the blade out. And when you do, you'll notice the key came out this side. Right across from there, you'll see a little indentation. Take the tip of your key blade, put it in there, and gently push down to pry the two halves apart, and you'll see it start opening. Turn around and use the key if you want. Sorry about that. There you go. The two halves came apart, and if you notice, the pad came out on this one. Hey, don't worry. Squeeze the sides gently. Flip it over, and we're going to put it in the top half. After you seat it, gently push down. Now, if yours came out looking like that, you're a step ahead. Take your emergency blade, pop that battery out, and if you notice, it is a CR2032 battery. Get you a nice fresh battery, something reliable. This is not product placement or anything. These are just what I use. Brand new CR2032 battery. Positive side right here. You're going to slide it in, push down, push the little metal sides to make sure they're seated. Now take your two halves. If everything is seated properly, it should snap together. Walk your fingers around and squeeze at the same time. Hey, if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share to people that have this vehicle. And remember, let's be safe out there.